Given that the 3 points where the curve y equals to bx square minus 2 intersects the x-axis and y-axis form an equilateral triangle, find the value of 2b. Now we have been given a curve and was told that this curve cuts x-axis and y-axis at different points. These points, 3 points, together form an equilateral triangle. Now the curve we have been given is y equals to bx square minus 2. To find out the point at which it cuts the y-axis, let us substitute x equals to 0. We will have y equals to minus 2. So we clearly know that the point is 0, minus 2. Now to find out the points where the curve cuts the x-axis, let us substitute y equals to 0. We will have bx square equals to 2, or can I write down x equals to plus or minus under root or square root of 2 by b. Now let us plot these points. One will be square root of 2 by b, 0. Another one will be the image of this on y-axis, that will be minus of square root of 2 by b, 0. Now when we plot this equilateral triangle, which we have been told that it's an equilateral triangle, we can clearly see that this equilateral triangle is divided into two congruent right triangles, as we know that x and y axis intersect with each other at 90 degrees and origin is the midpoint of 2 points at which the curve cuts the x-axis. Now take any one of the right triangle we have. We can use little bit of trigonometry and we can finish this problem. So we can write down either tan 30 or tan 60. I will go ahead with tan 60. Now let us take that triangle and write down tan 60 is opposite by adjacent. So I can go ahead and write down tan 60 is equal to, now the distance between 0 and 0 minus 2 is 2. So I can write down tan 60 equals to 2 divided by square root of 2 by b. Now we can simplify this and we can easily find out the value of 2b. Let us do that. We can write down tan 60 is root 3. So I can go ahead and write down root 3 equals to 2 divided by square root of 2 by b. Let us simplify that. We square it on both sides. We will have 3 equals to 4 divided by 2 by b, or we get 2b equals to 3. And what we need to find out is that only. So we can go ahead and pick the option if we have multiple choice where answer is given as